Welcome to a new project. As you can see, I'm sitting in my Golf MK2, which is, not in a good condition anymore. It was not taken care of for a very long time. 1 year standing outside, rain, snow, full program. So there's a lot to do. What exactly is going to be to do, we'll find out in this video. Disassembling a lot of parts and checking how much work we have, because we have to get this ready for the show on the 1st of May. The Volkswagen Audi Open Seasoning in my hometown. So let's go and check out what actually we have to do. What we have here, entire Jetta front. So we will change the Golf to the Jetta in the front. In this video we want to mount all of it. We have two new of the headlights for the Jetta. We have this grille, we have the Volkswagen emblem and the part for the carrosserie. Not sure how it is in English. We're gonna take off the wheels as well in this video and change them for some smaller ones, just to move the car a little bit easier here in the garage, and actually find out how much damage we have underneath the parts. We have a bumper which need to be fixed. We have for sure this grille is not usable anymore. We have a lot to do, so let's get straight to work.
Good job.
She said she can't get enough. I pulled up in a candy paint, a drop top, can't top that. A brand new coupe, little boy, you know you can't top it. I'm a bad boy, she get it up. Your bitch keep talking to me, she said she can't get enough. I pulled up in a candy paint.
As always, it's getting late on me, so I will show you quickly and update you what I've done so far on the MK2 Golf.
Opa.
As you can see, I repainted in the engine bay the front a little bit. This is steel protection color actually, and before I also painted it with some 85% phosphor acid, which is blocking the corrosion at this point. This is the bay for the battery on this side, and on this side it's pretty much empty, but still water was standing during the long time when the Golf was standing outside. So here I have cleaned a little bit the engine as well. The same, like I have cleaned a little bit around here this parts, which is still not finished. It was super dirty. And we have some job to do on the paint job. There's a lot of Bondo unfortunately I recognized, and we will work on this. So this is not a big issue. We'll just put more Bondo probably here as well. So here's a little corner which the paint job was not good anymore. Very unfortunately, someone was smart enough to glue all these plastic parts which are here on the side with silicone on it. No further comments on this. And so tomorrow we will move on, take the sunroof off and start finally assembling back the front again. I know it will be not painted, but we're gonna do something about this very shortly, very soon. And that's it for me for today. And you will see me in a second again. few days later we have a few updates for you what I've done so far on our Golf MK2. A huge progress, for me at least. So yeah, let me show you quickly. We have actually a Golf MK2 1986, which is supposed to be original, but I can tell you, I've in all my life never seen a car which have a centimeter of Bondo all around. I can tell you, all around you find Bondo, 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 blah blah blah. Yeah, and so on. So anyways, we also have a few holes here, like in the back door on the right side, and we also have some holes in here on the back. And as you can see, yeah, the hook for towing another car is already off from rust. The same, opa, need a light. The same as we have a hole in here, and we also having an issue here. This is the frame of the back window. So yeah, typical place, let's say. The other side from Golf, which is yeah pretty much looking the same. We have here the issues here, and of course when we go down we have all the holes. So the plan is to weld these holes for sure, and to weld also the chassis on the back, and yeah, fix such things as you can see here. So here also is like a huge amount of Bondo. So yeah, to be honest, the entire car is full, and there's nothing what I can save on this one anymore. At least we finished the Jetta front, which in my opinion is super nice looking. And yeah, about the rest we'll care in actually the next video. In the next video we're gonna weld the entire Golf. Until then I will keep continuing and prepare everything for welding. So yeah, enough of talking, let's get back to work. One more last update on the Golf. I have taken off the doors to prepare everything, and also yeah, grinding down all spots, dents, etc. Here we will take care about in the next part for sure. And the same like in the front, the fender, which needs some weld work. As you can see, we have here these holes, and here a little bit. So yeah, this is pretty much for the next video. Just a quick update so far how the doors look like. I have take off all the Bondo around, so prepare it for the welding. There will come a little chips from the inside in the door and spot welded from outside. Then we can make it nice, smooth and straight, because this is what we need. And yeah, so far that's it for this video. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video and you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next week. Bye.